very popular content creator na si Ivana Alawi na, okay guys, so trending ngayon ang issue ni very popular content creator na si Ivana Alawi na nag-giveaway siya ng, I think, 100 iPhone 17s. Ang akala nyo, mechanics niya is, all you have to do is comment down on her giveaway video kung anong color ang gusto nyo. Pero ang plot twist doon, may plot twist siya. Kailangan mo mag-follow sa page ng very popular gambling app or website. And maraming nababash sa kanya. And baka kasi mabash din ako, pero I will say this. Sinabi ni Lord sa mga beatitudes niya is, blessed are those who are persecuted for the sake of righteousness. Yun lang masasabi ko. Reminded that this is my personal stance. I do not intend to hate or attack anyone here kasi personal opinion ko lang naman ito. And my opinion here is that I think valid ang mga opinions ng people na i-question si Ivana Alawi. Kasi ganito kasi yung opinion ko. Kasi kung mag-giveaway ka tapos may part sa mechanics na i-follow mo ang very popular gambling website, gambling kasi yun. Parang baka kasi na, lalo na, very big influence si Ivana Alawi. I feel like almost everyone here sa country natin may kilala sa kanya, and since ganun nga ang reaction niya, ganun nga ang name that she built for herself, guaranteed na may mga tao nagtitiwala sa kanya, lalo na maraming nag-follow sa kanya, maraming nanonood, nag-giveaway siya. Tapos kung hindi guaranteed na na-follow lang ang gagawin ng ibang tao dyan sa page ng gambling site niya, kasi malamang makikurious sila. Kasi for me kasi parang may, in a way, parang commission, maybe, pag may mag-try sa gambling site nila, kikita siya doon. Kasi kailangan i-follow eh. Kasi again, hindi guaranteed na kailangan na i-follow lang ng iba kasi baka mas curious sila siya. Kung pinapromote yung Ivana Alawi, malamang sa malamang, trusted, legit. Kaya sabihin natin legit na siya, pero the thing is, it's still gambling. Kahit legit pa, kahit gaano pa ka-legit ang gambling site, never guaranteed na mananalo ka. And people will try, baka mag-curious sila sa try ko lang to, isa. Pero the thing is, even in video games pa nga lang yung iba, parang na-addicted na sila na parang sabihin nila na, baka kasi next try ko makuha ko na eh. So they keep trying and they try until naubusan na sila and lahat na i-gamble nila, and in some cases na people even gamble their home away for the sake of, because they hold on to this tiny thread of hope na they will win something big. Pero in the end, sobrang konti lang yung amount of people na nananalo, and people will keep holding on to that thread of hope na sabi nila, makapart ako sa percentage na mananalo. So, ayun nga, that's just my personal stance na kasi if you're an influencer and you promote stuff to your viewers, you should be mindful of what you're promoting. And I will add, I'm not saying that I am superior, but this is just my personal experience. Kahit hindi ako malaking influencer, hindi naman ako influencer, I'm just a content creator. May mga nag-offer sa akin ng mga gambling websites and apps na malaki ang kikitain ko noon, malaki ang offer sa amin. Pero I never, me and my family, stand with kahit gaano pa kalaki ang i-offer sa amin. We will never accept it because we know na people could potentially get addicted to it, and it could cause, pwedeng ako pa yung magkaroon ng kasalanan na ako pa yung may kasalanan na people will get addicted and potentially ruin their lives. So ayun, personal stance ko lang yun. I do not intend to hate or attack anyone. Personal opinion ko lang siya. Ayun, thank you.